Hi, K-8. I am Esmond from class B2. I am the MC for today's virtual assembly. Thank you for joining us.
Aloha No Assets by Ailama and Atirau.
Uiake alau kalehua o liko i kala. Mehanaka ai na o moana lua o leia ai na I ka momona. Na hoe po olu I ka ili ia havele me ke aloha. Aloha e.
School Song by Mr. Mizota.
Hi everybody, hope you're having a happy Friday. No hea ku'uola, no ke'ea o ka aina. Hea ko'u kuleana, e ho'o mau ka ha'o ka Hawai'i. No hea ku'umana, no ka olelo o nā kupuna. Hea ko'u kuleana, e ho'o mau ka ha'o ka Hawai'i. No hea ku'u hano, e o ka pono o nā au makua. Hea ko'u kuleana, e ho'o mau ka ha'o ka Hawai'i. E ho'o mau, e ho'o mau, e ho'o mau ka ha'o ka Hawai'i. E ho'o mau, e ho'o mau, e ho'o mau ka ha'o ka Hawai'i.
Design Studio Developments.
Hi everybody, hope you're doing okay. I miss you. As you probably seen in the community or heard, people are making different types of things to protect the spread of the coronavirus. They call it personal protective equipment, or PPE for short. So we recently opened up our design studio, and I wanted to share with you some items that we've made with the Glowforge to protect different people in the community. So we gave some items to Diamond Head Dental Care, which is a dentist. And a door opener can push or pull doors without having to touch the handle with your hands. Ear savers protect the ears from elastic straps. People can wear masks for long hours more comfortably. We also made some for the Family Birth Center at Kapi'olani Medical Center, where they deliver babies.
We've come a long, long way together, through the hard times and the good. I have to celebrate you, baby. I have to praise you like I should.
It feels good to be able to take care of the people that take care of us and to give to them some things that could help them. I hope to see you soon. Stay safe and be well. Bye.
Hi everybody, this is Miss Shannon. I just wanted to take a moment of your time to say thank you to everyone that participated and helped with our spring performance of the Somewhat True Tale of Robin Hood. I know that we weren't able to share the play the way that we expected, yet I felt it was important just to say a huge mahalo to all of my cast members. I had the greatest pleasure in rehearsals with you, watching your characters unfold, seeing all of your hard work and determination of memorizing all of your lines. And although we weren't able to share it in the venue that we wanted to, we are working on something to share for our families and for you and all of your hard work. I would also like to say that in the next couple weeks, we are going to be streaming some of our past performances for the whole school to enjoy, including your families and those that were not able to make it. This is my gift to my cast and for everyone that participated in our play. I hope you are all safe. I miss you, and huzzah!
I like to eat apples and bananas. I like to eat apples and bananas. Your turn.
I like to eat apples and bananas. I like to eat apples and bananas.
Now change those sounds to an A. I like to eat apples and bananas. I like to eat apples and bananas. Your turn.
I like to eat apples and bananas. I like to eat apples and bananas.
Now change those A sounds to an E. I like to eat apples and bananas. I like to eat apples and bananas. Your turn.
I like to eat apples and bananas. I like to eat apples and bananas.
Now change those E sounds to an I. I like to eat apples and bananas. I like to eat apples and bananas. Your turn.
I like to eat apples and bananas. I like to eat apples and bananas.
Now change those I sounds to an O. I like to oat, opals and bananas. I like to oat, opals and bananas. Your turn.
I like to oat.
Coming soon to the server near you. Minecraft. Coming this summer. Assets Minecraft server. Open to all asset students. Interested? Click on the Minecraft interest link.
Happy birthday to Kahoa, Carmen, Emilia, and Mrs. Thurman.
Hi Assets, it's Miss Lee here. Today I'm going to be guiding us in a mindful moment. So for today's mindful moment, we are going to be sending kind thoughts. So first, I'd like you to think of someone that you care about. It could be a family member, it could be maybe a friend you haven't seen in a while, or a neighbor, anyone that you would like to send a kind thought to. You could even send kind thoughts to a group of people. Maybe it's healthcare workers or grocery store workers, police officers, or anyone in the community that's helping to keep us safe right now. So I want you to take a moment and think about who you would like to send some kind thoughts to. Okay, now that you have your person or group of people in mind, I'd like you to take your hand and put it over your heart or on your chest, and I invite you to close your eyes. Now that you have your eyes closed, I'd like you to visualize that person or group of people that you would like to send kind thoughts to. Okay, now we're going to send them some kind thoughts. So repeat after me. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be peaceful. May you have joy. Now take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Now you may open your eyes. Okay, assets, I'm wishing you a happy, healthy, and mindful day. Bye.
Thank you for joining the K-8 Assembly. I hope you have a safe and fun-filled weekend. K-8, you are dismissed.